Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you safely and efficiently replace the LCD cover. First, power off your Dell Inspiron P106F and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical mishaps during the repair process. Once you've powered down, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back cover. Remember to keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly later. After removing the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Once the back cover is removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Next, locate the LCD assembly. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the LCD screen, ensuring that you do not pull on them too hard as they can be fragile. It's a good idea to take a picture of the connections before you disconnect them, so you can refer back to it when reassembling. Now, remove any screws holding the LCD cover in place. Typically, there are a few screws located along the edges. Again, use your Phillips head screwdriver for this. If you run into any resistance, double-check that you've removed all screws, as missing one can make removal difficult. Once the screws are out, gently pull the LCD cover away from the screen. Be cautious during this step. If it seems stuck, double-check for any hidden screws or clips. If you're not comfortable performing this repair, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have peace of mind. With the old LCD cover removed, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the area. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe down the screen and surrounding components. Maintaining cleanliness during the repair is crucial for optimal performance. Now that you have the new LCD cover, align it carefully with the screen. Once aligned, press it into place and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. If you're unsure about the process or lack the tools, don't hesitate to utilize our pickup and delivery at your home service, which can save you the hassle of traveling. Reconnect any cables you disconnected earlier, ensuring they are firmly in place. Again, refer back to the picture you took for guidance. After reconnecting, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws that secure the back cover. Ensure that all screws are tightened appropriately, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the casing. Now, power on your Dell Inspiron P106F and check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can understand the costs involved before proceeding with any additional work. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your Dell Inspiron P106F. This not only enhances the look of your laptop but also protects the screen. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.